it's me again. Yeah, so I just woke up and today is December 22, 2025, Monday, and I just want to film today because today I have a plan. So later I'm going to the mall, mag-shopping ako, and then yeah, so now I'm gonna go downstairs and kakain muna ako ng breakfast ko, and then mag-workout ako, and mag-shower na ako, and I'm gonna get ready na. So don't worry guys, I'm gonna film it. Mag-film ko lahat yun. So yeah, just updating you guys. Good morning. I love you guys. See you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, I just finished showering, so now I'm gonna do my skincare. Toner, yeah, it's a toner. So the toner that I'm using is this one, and Nivea. Actually yung ginagamit ko talagang toner is Lux Organic. Lux Organic. Yeah, yung toner na ginagamit ko is aloe vera, Lux Organic. Now, nag-switch ako sa Nivea. Nang nag-Nivea ako, sobrang gumanda yung face ko. Like, naging glass. Not actually glass. Naging lightly glass skin siya, and nawala yung mga anik-anik ko sa face. So guys, ano na lang, ilang days na lang, Christmas na, diba? I'm not really excited sa Christmas, to be honest with you guys, because I don't know, I just don't feel like it. I mean, hindi ko feel in Christmas, and yeah, I don't know, just di ko lang ramdam yung Pasko ko this year. And yeah, and guys, pati alam ko nakikita niyo yung mga ano ko sa mukha, and I don't wanna do a close up. Ayoko mag close up na video, but yeah, kasi it's my third day ng period ko, kaya ganito kaano yung mukha ko. The moisturizer that I'm using is from Lux Organic, which is etong spray. Actually, spray lang. Yan, spray lang. So, the next step is sunscreen. Actually, guys, I wanna share this to you. I wanna share this one. Yung sunscreen ko, gusto ko i-share sa inyo. The sunscreen that I'm using is a Hikari. Actually, guys, yung ginamit ko to, like, ang fresh niya sa mukha, ang ganda niya sa mukha, parang natural lang. Like, sobrang ganda niya. Actually, meron na tong, ano ba tawag? Tinted sunscreen. And, pag gumamit kayo ng tinted sunscreen na Hikari, is parang na kayo naka-foundation. Parang na kayo ng foundation. So, sa susunod yun yung bibilin ko. But, sa ngayon, you guys should check my TikTok account. I will link down here sa description box, and check my showcase. Nandun yung sunscreen na Hikari. So yan, ang dami nitong laman, and I've been using this for a month, and ang ganda niya sa mukha. Like, hindi ako nag-breakouts or what sa face ko. Naging fresh yung face ko. Kaya, guys, since I'm part of a TikTok affiliate, I'm a TikTok affiliate. I-film ko muna siya kasi hindi ko to na-film. And, yeah, mag-film muna ako ngayon. And, yan guys. So, kikilay pa lang ako. And just like what I said kanina, I'm not gonna put too much makeup because I wanna keep my natural face. I wanna keep my natural look. So, yeah. And next, magpa-powder lang ako. Guys, I wanna share my powder. So, it's from Dazzle Me. Yeah, ito siya. So, this is the powder that I'm using. It's from Dazzle Me. It's an invisible pan. So, I will update you guys again later. Bye! So, this is my outfit for today, and so this is the sandals I'll be wearing. Guys, ito yung nabili ko dito sa Uniqlo. Yan, at the t-shirts. It's guys, so then nasa Uniqlo, and ang next station natin is H&M. Guys, sobrang dami
nag-cash. Kasi sa talaga kanina, ilalabas mo lang doon sa ano, ginaya na nila.
Good morning guys! So hindi na ako naka-update last night because umuwi kami agad kasi syempre may kasama kami senior, alam niyo na. So ngayon, pupunta ulit kami ng mall. Continue namin yung shopping namin sa H&M. So I'll update you guys later na lang ulit. Bye! Hi guys! So andito na ako sa H&M and ayan yung mga top na nakuha ko. Sukati ko and this is the pants. So mas ka pa na ako guys. Bye! I just got home and I'm so excited to show everything I bought sa H&M. So, actually guys, it's a 4 bags. Unahin muna natin yung yesterday sa Uniqlo na so ito yung Uniqlo and ang nakuha ko sa Uniqlo is 8 pants and 8 top. So, ito yung pants and I've been eyeing this pants. Ito yung pants. It's a color cream. Ayan siya. Ganyan yung ano niya. Ito yung style niya. Ito yung tela niya. It's hindi siya mainit. It's a cotton. And next, I also bought a top from Uniqlo. Ito. It's so cute. And I like this. Yeah. Top siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. And next, let's proceed today. Let's proceed sa H&M na sinabi ko kanina. Start tayo sa small one. So, itong nabili ko doon, nakita ko lang siya because it's only 199 and since naka-gift card ako, naregalo sa akin ng tita ko, nag-add na lang ako ng fish. Tada! Ito yung glasses. It's so cute. It's a leopard style. Ganyan siya. Yan. Diba kapag sunny days, you know, may glasses na ako. I like it. It's so cute. Hindi naman tayo sa favorite one. So, this one! Ah! Ito yung favorite. Ito tayo favorite. Hi guys. I've been eyeing this pants. Like, inahanap ko talaga siya. Itong gantong kind of pants. I've been eyeing this pants. So, ito yung pants na bet ko. Yung gustong-gusto kong pants. Yung ganyan, no? Wait lang. Ito siya, guys. Yung ganyang pants. Ang lakas kasi maka-sexy. Wait. May color gray, but wala na size ko. It's a size small. Ganyan siyang pants. It's a flare pants. Yeah, it's a flare pants. And yung ganyan siya. And next, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Pinaka-favorite ko. Nag-iisa lang siya doon and nakita ko, kinuha ko siya kagad. But, it's not my side. But, hindi naman siya maskip sa akin. Siguro, ano lang, late lang. So, it's a leopard. Ano tawag dito? Toe sandals. Yeah, it's leopard toe sandals. Ayan. I like it so much. It's a size 37, but I'm a size 38. Pero kinuha ko na talaga siya kasi kasya naman siya sa akin eh. Okay? Hindi naman siya masyadong like light lang. Yan. It's a leopard sandals. Yeah. That's all I got. Yun lang lahat ng nakuha ko na pag-shopping ko. So, yeah, I think, yung ano, ito pala, this one. Ito, it's not mine. Gift ko sa mga little brothers ko to since sa Christmas. Punta naman ako sa kanila and they deserve a gift naman. And yung money ko naman, babalik naman yung pera. So, hindi ko na siya papakita because I think I might upload this vlog tomorrow morning or kapag na-edit ko na natapos ko, I might upload this later night. And baka kasi makita ni mama, it's a surprise. So that's all I got. I will end this video right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.